In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank in Zoho Books. This is an essential step for managing your finances within the platform, enabling easy tracking of transactions and better financial oversight. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to complete each step without any hiccups. First things first, navigate to the banking module within Zoho Books. This module is your go-to hub for all things bank-related. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your financial operations, allowing you to efficiently manage your bank and credit card accounts. So, get yourself to the banking module and we'll get started from there. Once you're in the banking module, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an option that says Add Bank or Credit Card. Give that button a click and you'll be on your way to linking your finances with Zoho Books. This option is designed to make the process intuitive and smooth so you don't miss a beat. Now, you'll be given a choice. You can select manual entry, or, if available, another option to connect automatically. For this tutorial, we will proceed with the manual entry option. Opting for a manual entry means you'll be entering some details yourself, but this step is crucial when automatic connections aren't supported for your particular bank. Next, you'll be asked to choose the account type. You have two options here, bank or credit card. Select the one that applies to the account you're adding, then proceed to input the account name, account number, and the bank name. This information is vital, as it ensures your transactions are accurately categorized and that you can easily identify the account later on. Once you've filled out those initial details, it's time to enter the routing number. This is specific to checking accounts, so if you're adding a checking account, make sure you have this information handy. Additionally, you'll need to select the correct currency and fill in any other required details. Taking the time to ensure each piece of information is accurate will save you time and potential issues down the line. Finally, once you've double-checked all the information and ensured its accuracy, complete the process by clicking the Save button. This action will add the bank account to your Zoho Books account, making it ready for future financial activities. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to adding your bank in Zoho Books. Remember, managing your finances efficiently starts with setting everything up correctly, and now you have the knowledge to do just that. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher. Stay organized and see you next time.